Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen or by using the up and down buttons, and scroll through the menu until you find the system option. Once you find it, select it. Now scroll down, find the time option and select it, and here scroll down, find the option called set time, tap on it, and if you want to change the time manually, you will need to select the manual option, and then you can scroll down, select time, and here you can adjust the time to your liking. You can swipe up and down on hours to set the hour, then you can tap on minutes, swipe up and down to set the minutes, then you can tap on AM and PM and adjust it, and then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. You can also change the time format by scrolling up, tapping on time format, selecting the one you like. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.